This is a short video to show you how to use Visual Studio Code and the Arduino Portenta and getting the Blinky demo running. So the first thing is open up Visual Studio Code, go to Platform IO, which is this one here, and go to Open, and then it'll load the Platform IO. So Platform IO is a plugin into Visual Studio Code, and it allows you to run Arduino code, as well as other projects out there. So this is where you type in the file name. So I'm just going to type in hello world Portenta, and then I'm just going to select the Portenta board. So I'm just going to type that in. We select the M7 core here. So Arduino for the framework, and we use the default location. Click finish, and it's just going to start and create a folder with all the relevant files in there. And if we go over to this on the right hand side, oh, it's just reopened, so that's good, that's what we wanted. You'll see we have the folders. So inside here is the settings for the project. So we've got the Arduino framework and the board we just selected, and that is the processor. So then what we need to do is we need to go into the main CPP, and then we need to upload the code, which I've just got from another screen. So I'm just going to copy, paste that in. You always need the Arduino .h included. So that's a bit of a difference between the normal Arduino. And then once you've done that, we can click upload or build to start with. And you can see it's going to start building that. So you've got build, which is that one, and then you've got upload, and the other one that's important is serial monitor. Okay, that's now built. So the next thing we need to do is we need to upload the code. So click upload. Because it's already done the build, it shouldn't take as long. And you'll see it just found the port, it's uploaded, and there we go. So now you can see in the video the Arduino is flashing colours. So if we change this to 10,000, let's change it to 1,000. Then what we can do is we can upload again, which is going to do the build and then the upload. And that's it. That's uploaded. So you can see the difference when I'm showing on the bottom of the screen when I'm showing the presenter.